All right, so I'm going to go over the food sensitivity and allergy test. This is the finger prick test, so we can get your allergies or food sensitivities. I'm just going to walk through my main tips for this. The first tip is going to be to run your hands under warm water, as hot as you can get it for as long as you can do it, a few minutes at least, to get your hands nice and hot, nice and warm, blood flow going. The second tip, you'll pick a finger, usually like your index finger or your ring finger. Before you do the finger prick, just use one of these alcohol swabs. Wipe that finger to clean it off, let it air dry. And then the biggest tip I can give you is to push with your thumb against your finger to create a nice, more dense spot on the side of your finger here. So push against it as hard as you can, take the finger prick, take the thing off, and push it while you're compressing your finger. Push it into that compressed spot so you have resistance for the finger prick to actually prick enough to get the blood flowing. If you just go straight, try to push it against there, and then push it, you're likely not going to have enough resistance in the fingertip to get that needle to prick enough for blood to come out. So hot water, clean the finger, and then make sure you're putting resistance against that finger before you do the finger prick. What you're going to do is you're going to have this vial, take the cap off, have it ready to go. It's got a nice foam thing to keep it standing up on the desk or table, whatever you're using. So that way when you get the blood coming through the finger prick, you can just put the dots into here. And for the food sensitivity test, you're going to go up to the 250 line, a little above it. For allergies, if you're getting both of them, you're going to go up above the 500 line on this vial here. Once you've gotten your blood sample in here, put the cap back on. You're going to put your sample vial into the bag it comes with. Seal that up. You're going to put it back into the box that it came in, along with your requisition form. It's important to make sure to remember that you filled out your information, your name, date of birth, etc., on the requisition form, and put that in the box with your sample. So you'll end up with that, and then it comes with a FedEx shipping. You're going to put the whole box into the FedEx label, and you can go drop it off at a FedEx or call the number on the instruction sheet to set up for them to pick it up for you. You can schedule a pickup, which is pretty handy. If you have any other questions, reach out to me directly. I hope this video helps you while you're getting your sample